The Foldable Exercise Bike 816 offers a versatile 16-level magnetic resistance system, ensuring a quiet and smooth workout experience for users ranging from beginners to professionals. Designed for convenience, this bike arrives 70% pre-assembled, requiring less than an hour for complete setup with minimal technical skill necessary. Constructed with high-strength steel and a double golden triangle frame, it supports a maximum weight of 260 pounds, providing stability and durability for all users. Adjustable features accommodate a wide range of users, with seat height suitable for individuals between 5 feet 0 inches and 6 feet 1 inch. The bike includes an LCD screen that displays real-time fitness data such as pulse rate, calories, time, distance, and speed, enhancing the workout experience. Compact and foldable, the bike is an ideal choice for small apartments, offering a space-efficient solution for indoor cycling workouts.